Hey, welcome back to the channel where we explore the coolest AI tools out there, and today we're diving into something wild, the Clothes Changer on FlexClip. Once you're in the AI tool space, scroll down till you spot the Clothes Changer and click it. That takes you to its homepage where there's already a demo video playing, super sleek and honestly impressive for the fashion world. Now let's test it out ourselves. Click that upload button, and I'm uploading a girl image for this demo. They give you two options, either upload your own clothes or use the preloaded ones. They've got a solid collection, so I'm going with theirs. Scroll down to the women's blouses category, pick one you like, and hit generate. In just a few minutes, you get this super clean, highly detailed outfit transformation with zero errors. It's honestly kinda magical. But we're not done yet. Let's switch it up and try on some pants or skirts. With your character image still on screen, just head over to the women's pants/skirt section, preview a few with your cursor, pick the second last one like I did, it looked fire, hit generate again, and bam, it processes and downloads just like that. This tool is honestly such a game changer, whether you're into fashion design, digital styling, or just playing around with cool tech. FlexClip really nailed it with this one.